Today our client is Zoya. We're doing a leg massage with a massage gun, gentle and pain-free. I set the massage gun to low speed and glide from the ankles upward so the body eases into the sensation. On the foot, I move from heel toward the middle, avoiding the ankle bones. I switch to the cuff and travel slowly upward. Along the front of the shin, I use short circles to reduce tension after walking. I pass near the knee without pressing on the joint itself. Over the thigh, I make long, smooth strokes from knee to hip. On the back, I glide toward the glutes and avoid the hollow behind the knee. To finish, I lower the speed. Make 2 slow flush strokes from ankles to hips and add a few soft palm compressions. Disclaimer: the information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of your physician or other qualified health provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition or health objectives. Never disregard professional medical advice or delay in seeking it because of something you have watched or read here. Reliance on any information provided by this video or the channel is solely at your own risk. Before starting any new diet, supplement regimen, exercise program, or making any changes to your current medical treatment, you must consult with a healthcare professional.